Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video I will show you a good video editing software who are beginner to edit videos. There is many features with simple steps. There is so many templates and lower thirds, so one can simply add this elements and edit video easily. And it's free export without watermark HD video. So this videos are edit with this mini tool Movie Maker. This mini tool Movie Maker designed for basically Windows. Then you can download any version of Windows. When making videos with this mini tool Movie Maker, there is so many video elements, then we can make video better beautiful. Let's find now how to install and how to use this mini tool Movie Maker. Type moviemaker.minitool.com, or search in Google Mini Tool Movie Maker. Then you will find this website. In this website we can see main key features in Mini Tool Movie Maker. Mini Tool Movie Maker is the best video editing choice for beginners. With intuitive interface and rich features, it transforms your video into a piece of art and gives the video a stunning look. It makes your content shine. One-click video editing experience. With embedded video templates, you can freely export multiple videos and pictures to generate stylish videos. This Windows Movie Maker simplifies the whole editing process, and is especially user-friendly for beginners. Export 1080 HD videos without watermark. Mini Tool Movie Maker can import almost all video and image formats and save your videos in standard or HD quality. Most notably, it allows exporting videos up to 1080p without watermark, and this is free. We can download this Mini Tool Movie Maker free from this website. I put the link in video description. After installing it looks like this. We can start new project from here. And we import any files to here, create a new video. This files can be videos and images. Then drag the files to timeline what you like. Then we can edit each file separately. We can change video colors and add preset from here. We can see too many preset. Then I think we can add beautiful effects to video. This is the best and cool feature coming with this video editor. Video elements. They are easy to add to video. Just add and edit with simple one click. We can add transition between two clips from here. It also can be images or video. It doesn't matter, it will work for both. Lower thirds and texts in video. It's easy to add. Just drag the text style from this templates, then add your own texts. Usually they update many styles from this app. You are free to choose text style and fonts. And easy to change color and size. Movie templates. This is the cool feature coming with this Mini Tool Movie Maker. Just select the template, then drag your pictures and videos. You can get cool output. If you love to background music to video, then you can select one, or add your own music. When you like to add tiny animations, elements to video, this app better match with you. We can add cool video elements with this app. It gives professional look to video. After done, we can export video HD quality with free version without watermark. This is not looks like other apps. They give us free export with free version. So try this cool app and give me a feedback. Does it fit with you? Or not? Subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you. See you again.